One, welcome back to another session of DevOps tools, and today we will take a look at new buddy in town introduced by Microsoft, that is Mobile Center. As the name says, it's exclusive for mobile apps and takes care of continuous building, testing, distribution, analytics, and it is basically a cloud-based offering. So there is no hassle of setting up agents on, and especially you doesn't need a Mac machine for this. Okay, it supports iOS and Android apps written in Swift, Objective-C, Java, Xamarin, and React Native. Support for Windows apps should be on the roadmap. Currently, it supports integration with GitHub, and support for Bitbucket and VSTS will be out soon. So let's take a look at the demo of Mobile Center. To access Mobile Center, you can log into mobile.azure.com. You can log in either using your GitHub account or connect with your Microsoft or your Hockey app account also. So I'll use the GitHub account. Okay, so I'm already registered with that, so I'll directly jump into the uh, example itself. So you can click on the connect with GitHub and log into the app. Okay, so once you have logged in, this is how your mobile center will look like. Okay, so here you will have apps. I have already added one app. Okay, and let's move on to the my app. So I can manage my app from here. I can give a different you know secrets and everything here, and then there is a build step which we have. I have selected it from my GitHub which project to use. I can select other projects as well. Can go to branches, I can select build now, and it will start building up the app. Then building up the project, it has taken up from the GitHub. Then we have test cases. So if your app has tests, then you can integrate that here directly in the Mobile Center. Now currently the executing the test is a manual step where you have to set up all these things. You can select the device, and then what it says, it's asks you what type of test you have. Okay, I'll say collaboration something, and when I click, it says that you have to set up few using the command line interface of Mobile Center. You can run the test, but soon the support for integration with Hockey app and Xamarin Test Cloud automatically would be there. Okay, then you have distribute channel also here, where you can create your own groups. You can distribute your releases, and what happens is, like, whenever you have distributed a release and you have you testers added into your groups, they will automatically receive an email when you have released your app. So they can directly install use on with their email app itself. So they will receive an email with install app, and they can directly install the application. So you doesn't need to host your app on Hockey or Test Flight or Google Beta Store, something for testers. This can be done directly from the Mobile Centers. Then along with that, they have the Mobile Center also have authentications and tables that can be synced uh, with your app. If you are using Azure account or something, then you have crashes analysis also. You can collect the data here. You can integrate the Mobile Center SDK in your app, and you can collect the crashes. You can create the analytics, everything in here. So let's take a look at one of a new application, how I can add a new app. So I'll click on add new app. So this was just the demo of the, so I'll say test app. I'll use let's say I'll go to iOS Xamarin. I have one Xamarin projects on the GitHub. Okay, and this is not a required step here, so we will just skip this up. Okay, and what I'll do is, oops, sorry. Okay, yeah, I'll go to build, and I'll you know go to one of the Xamarin iOS, my Xamarin iOS project, repository in. Okay, so I have D2, one of the SRM projects. Configuration I'll select as release, and I can say 8.2.1. And these are few of the configuration, like built on push, built for simulator only, sign builds, distributes build. So if you click on sign builds, you can upload your provisioning profile and the certificates directly here. And if you turn on the distribute, okay, so I will just disable the, and when you click on distribute build, so you can select the group members to which you want to distribute your build to. Okay, so for now I'll just disable all these things, and when I click on finish setup, probably this should work. I'm trying first time this thing as well. Okay, so it has taken one of the projects, and I'll just say build now. It has started building. Currently the mobile center is in preview release, and there are a lot more features that are gonna come really soon. And I really like the concept. I really like the way it has been set up all in one place. And this is gonna be a great product, what I think. So let's see how our project is running. Okay. No issues, so it has run perfectly, no build issues. Okay. We can download the build, we can download the logs as well. Okay. uh, Even though we have not uploaded any provisioning profile and certificates, uh, mobile center creates a IPA file, but it won't run on your device. So that is just a dummy file. The IPA file it packages, that's it. That is, anyone can create that. Okay, so this is what currently how the mobile center is. Thanks for watching, hope you like the video. Bye bye.